Hi, you will see in this video a prototype of my project. This is called remotely controlled DC motor. So there are three main parts of this project. Here's the main controller, and this is the device to be controlled. This is a motor. Now this motor will be controlled by this controller via a remote control using a phone with application. In order to be controlled, the motor must be rotated clockwise or counterclockwise. And also the speed must be also controlled. So I'm going to turn on the power and turn on this one also, and the controller start to initialize, and then after initializing, this blue LED here, the light must be indicated to signify that it is connected to the internet. So wait for a moment, you will see an indication of blue light. Let's wait for a moment. Okay. Yes, this one is telling everyone or telling us that this controller is connected to the internet. So the next thing I will do is to turn on the start button, or I will press the start button. So in the next steps, it will initially rotate this motor, but it will stop. Why? Because it must be controlled to the phone. Here, I'm preparing the phone setup. So this is the phone with application. Now it is ready. So here you will see two control icons. One is a slide and the other is a push button. This slide is to control the rotation of this motor, and this one controls the rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm going to slide this one in the maximum settings. This is a maximum setting. Okay. Now, the rotation of the motor is intermittent. I need to control the direction also. Now I have the control of the direction. The direction of the rotation is in a clockwise manner. I want to control this motor in a counterclockwise. See, I just press the button here and see. I want to slow down the rotation of the motor or the speed. So I slide here to around 50%. See, that's the result of slowing down. It's approximately 40%. I will try to slide up. More. Yeah, that's roughly 50%. Okay, that's the speed of 50% of the entire speed. Okay, I will press this button to do counterclockwise. Okay. You'll notice I push this because I don't have enough power to drive this motor. Say I'm going to make it maximum again. See? Counterclockwise. Okay. Clockwise. You will observe that this device is now remotely controlled by phone. Imagine if many devices in homes, offices, and elsewhere can be controlled remotely without direct intervention. Either you go out from your home, you go elsewhere, or you go out from the country. For example, this motor is in Philippines. When you go United States, bringing this phone with that application, you can remotely control this. This is called Internet of Things technology. In the coming months and years to come, you will see this kind of technology where devices can be remotely controlled. Goodbye.